Before I talk about the Nik Collection 2, if you are not familiar with the Nik Collection or you want to get a free copy of the old Nik Collection legally, there will be a link to a video on the screen. So I have been using the old Nik Collection. It has some compatibility issues with the newer version of Photoshop, but for the most part, it works for me. To fix the compatibility issues, I could have purchased the DXO version, but based on how much I use it, I felt it was not worth it. Plus, there were no new features. However, now DXO has released a new version of the Nik Collection that has some new features included. So let's talk about what's new. The new Nik Collection 2 has a total of 42 new presets. Within each plugin, the new additions are grouped and identified as en vogue, so you can locate them more easily. Color Effect Pro has 10 new additional presets. Silver Effect Pro has 10 new additional presets. HDR Effect Pro has 12 additional features. And Analog Effect Pro has 10. The new Nik Collection 2 also comes included with PhotoLap 2.3 Essential Edition. So you can use the Nik Collection even if you don't have Photoshop or Lightroom. With the inclusion of PhotoLap, you can now edit RAW files with the Nik Collection. The new version now has support for HiDPI displays. So let's talk about price. If you have already purchased the Nik Collection from DXO and would like to upgrade to the Nik Collection 2, it would cost you $59. If you did not already purchase the Nik Collection from DXO and would like to get the Nik Collection 2, it would cost you $149. However, you can now purchase the software through June 30th for $99. I have seen some people complaining about the upgrade price. Do you think with the additional features and inclusion of PhotoLab, it's worth the price? Let me know in the comment section what you think. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found this information helpful.